Hey, it's Tammy Lynn Hancock. I'm the little engine that could. And you can be the little engine that could too if you don't give up. My job here and when I do my lives and on Facebook is to help you, the network marketer, grow your business and understand attraction marketing. But Saturdays is the day I kind of sit back and just relax. And today I thought we'd talk about, did you ever have one of those days? You know, I went to the store and I was really, hey Raja, I was really looking forward to getting a pomegranate fruit bar. And they only had a couple of these left in the store, so I really thought that I scored big time when I got to the store and got my pomegranate thing. Got it in the car, and as you see, it was already like pre-melted. And so, you know, this kind of reminded me of those days when we have expectations. I'm going to take this out and show you what it looks like. So this had gotten melted. It got melted in the store, so it's like a semi-gooey pomegranate thing. But since it only cost me $1.99, it was on sale. I didn't walk it back in the store. So while I'm talking to you about if you ever had one of those days, I'll keep my visual aid right in front of you and enjoy it while I'm talking to you. So, the purpose of this video is to talk about, did we ever have one of those days? And yes, I'm going to eat my popsicle while I'm talking to you again. And it's dripping, and it's hot, but it's really good, even though it was gooey. Sometimes you have expectations of what your day is going to be like. Just like I had the expectations when I bought my popsicle today that it would not be all pre-melted. It's so good. You should get your popsicle out and eat it with me. But sometimes we have those expectations. And when we're talking to people in our businesses, when we're in relationships, just personal relationships with our family, hey Sarah, and we have preconceived expectations of what we think should be happening, sometimes we kind of ruin it for ourselves. Because we have, instead of just enjoying the moment and living it, we find ourselves already disappointed before the moment has already happened. I had an expectation that my popsicle would not be pre-melted for me when I bought it from the store. And when I found out that it didn't quite work out that way, I had a couple of choices. And like I said, one of my choices was to take it back. The other was to roll with it and just eat my popsicle anyway because it's really good. Well, that's the same choice that you have. You are always going to find things that don't live up to your expectation, people who don't live up to your expectations, prospects that you're talking to that don't live up to your expectations. And I think the goal, hey Waylon, how are you? And I think the goal is to not have expectations of people. Think about that a little bit. If we just kind of loved on our spouse just the way they were, or loved on our kids, if we treated all of our prospects and the people who we talk to in our businesses, this is really good, without having an expected result, meaning that they join our business or that they buy a product from us, and instead we just talk to them like regular people. Love on them, find out how their day is. How much different would our business look like? You see, that's the real core to what attraction marketing is all about. Attraction marketing isn't about having preconceived notions and expectations from people. It's all about you giving and being a person of value without expecting anything in return. Pretty different than our grandparents' version of network marketing. Maybe pretty different from your parents' version of network marketing. But that's the way the business works today, and it works really well. The business model of attracting people to you, being a person of value, sharing information, meeting the needs of your contacts where they are at without those preconceived expectations. So, there's a couple of you online right now. Do you got any questions about that? Shannon, you're on. Pierre, Wellen, do you have any questions about having preconceived expectations while I'm eating my popsicle? Do you struggle with that? if you do, just let me know. And I want to be able to help you work it through if you've got some questions and you're struggling with that. Also, I wanted to let you know that I have a newsletter, and if you're not on the mailing list for that newsletter, just drop your email below, and I'm going to put you in for the next newsletter. In my newsletter, I've got lots of different kinds of information. And don't have any preconceived expectations of what it's going to be. It's just going to be me sharing whatever kind of comes out of me at the time. And I'll always try to have helpful tips in you to help you grow your business. So anyway, as you go through the rest of your day today, this is so good. And as you eat your popsicles and enjoy your family, think a little bit about not having preconceived expectations for people, for your family, for your businesses, and most importantly, maybe even for yourself. Just stick to the plan that you have with attraction marketing. Stick with your daily method of operation. Work it every day. Love people where they're at. Be genuine. And if you haven't eaten a popsicle today, go get a popsicle. So that's me with my Saturday musings. I am the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too, if you just don't give up, and use attraction marketing all the time for your business. Bye.